I know where there's some, right here in the hall, clerk.
No, Molly, I haven't no...
By the way, you read music, Johnny? I did once, and I can pick it up again pretty fast. Why, when I was a kid, I studied for a long, long time under the famous Professor Ware. Long Underwear McGee, I was known as.
That's pretty good, Johnny, but...
Long Underwear McGee, the mighty mucky muck of the metronome, making mugs, the mediocre musical mucks muddling through a mess of monotonous medleys, making millions marvel at the minor melodies made into magnificent masterpieces by the miraculous movements of my magic mitt, nipping many a maestro as I modulated from March Militaire and some minuets in G, and that's the story of Long Underwear McGee.
I told my own fortune before I left home. Goodbye.
Sing Old Rockin' Chair.
Old rocking chair's got me, no doubt about it. Chained by my side, can't do without it. Fetch me down, them spirit boys.
Yes, sir.
Before I tan your hide. Can't get from this cabin, I ain't never going away nowhere. Just set me here grabbing at the flies on my rocking chair. My dear old Aunt Harriet, I know that way up in heaven she be. Oh, send me down 3 chariots for the end of my trouble I see. Oh, rocking chair gets it. I do believe that Judgment Day is here. Chained to my old rocking chair, rocking chair, rocking chair, rocking chair, rocking chair. Oh, rocking chair's got me. Can't hear from my side. rocking chair. My dear